down here at the bottom of our standing rigging had a little bit of a crack in them. That's bad, because if they fail, the whole mast comes down. Now, there is some debate on whether or not they're just simply manufacturing defects or if they're actual stress cracks. They are on all 4 bolts of the standing rigging, so we would not be comfortable taking her sailing until we have a professional rigger come out and check these out, which is not going to happen until September-ish.
So if you guys know of anybody in the North Florida area that can do rigging inspection, we would love to get this done before September, but we just haven't been able to find anybody who is qualified to do it. So we're going to do projects and adventuring until then. All right, love you, bye-bye. Thanks, guys. All right, I'll try standing. Or this.
Take a breather.
Whew, oh my gosh. This is like, I am so shaky. Okay, let's. Yay! Woo! Whoa!
Embarrassing. Come on.
I don't know. Hey baby, coming to see you.
Oh yeah. Hey.
Hey! Oh, my foot's asleep.
So Winston's not allowed in beaches, buildings, or boardwalks. So that leaves us with some trails.
Let's go. Guys, this is the first time that we're going to have a caution for alligators. The sign says the alligators are dangerous. Good to know.
The fact that they have to put the sign out saying that alligators are dangerous means that someone didn't think that at some point. Like, you know, don't drink the battery acid.
And believe me, we are keeping our eye out for alligators. It's kind of exciting and scurry because, you know, Winston, I don't know if he's ever come close with an alligator, and we don't really want to. So that's the plan, keeping an eye out for the alligators. The big, pointy, sharp teeth.
For death awaits you all with nasty, big, pointy teeth.
What an eccentric performance.
Guys, the wildlife is wild out here. We've seen deer, alligators, spiders, and ticks. So we all need to make sure we do a tick check when we get home. And on a hot day like today, I think that's just about as much as we can handle of the outdoor adventure.
Oh, I think Winston's really the deciding factor on that. You know, he can't handle as much as we can. So we have to be cautious with him.
We really do. He's an older dog, and he can't tell us when it's too much. Oh boy.
It all points right to that. I set myself aside.
This is Fernandina is a very dog friendly. People love this place. It's like this cute little historic town. And we've really enjoyed it. It was pouring down rain earlier today, and now everyone is out just like us.
Yeah, it is. Yeah, turned into a beautiful day.
Okay, so typically when we go out and do something with the Winston, Daniel always goes in, make sure it's okay, or he'll just go in and get the ice cream and bring it out to me while I handle the Winston.
So I'm going to get some ice cream. Is there anything you want in particular? Something chocolate? Something nutty? Fudgy?
Just something delicious.
Oh, that's understood. I'll be right back.
I know we're going somewhere into the danger zone.
So we have a chocolate peanut butter and a salted caramel. Which would you like? I think Lisa would take both.
That's ridiculous.
You are absurd. You are absurd.
What's also absurd is him sitting in my lap.
Yeah, that's also absurd.
We walk for days, losing hope, fading love. This night will be okay. Waking up to another day.
There we go.
Okay.
There it is. It's all gone, just like that.
I got the stump.
We got ice cream. Winston got ice cream. We all got to stretch our legs. So let's go on back home and start work again. Maybe a glass of wine. Hi, Winston. Up, up. Good boy. Thank you, love.
Of course. Another successful adventure.
One of the challenges, as we mentioned earlier while we were out hiking, are the ticks. So we did a tick check when we got back home, but apparently we missed one. And yeah, I brought a tick home. Found it while I was showering. Check it out. Check it out, man. Isn't that nasty? We prefer to use a lot of natural remedies, and one of the things that we're going to use is this Fighting 5. It's very similar to the Thieves blend with some other brands, but it has cinnamon, clove, eucalyptus, rosemary. These are all things that are really good for treating this. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put the oil on the tick, and it basically is going to suffocate it and help disinfect the actual bite itself. So that's what I'm going to do now. And then we're going to pluck the sucker out. Could you tell I edited myself? Yeah, that was an edit. I hate ticks. And he's still alive.
Yeah. Looks dead-ish. There you go. Got him. Head and all.
Yep. Oh. There he is. I mean, it's so easy to take a tick out like that. All right, so ticks while adventuring. Yeah, lots of fun. I think that's enough adventuring today. Bye.
Go ahead, like and subscribe to join us in our next adventure.